This coverage of SHOT Show 2024 is brought to you by Through Nights.
Cool, so moving on, we can run down the water line and a little bit of the hunt line updates that we've done. So I'll start with our two fillet knives that we came out with. So it has a Canterbury handle. These are Magna Cut blade steels. So the reasoning behind that is, Magna Cut has very good corrosion resistant properties. It kind of acts like a tool steel, so it's super tough, holds an edge really well. So those of you who fish and fillet knives, as you know, fillet knives need to have a lot of flex. So check that out, it's pretty. This is our undercurrent. It's kind of almost like a dive knife, right? Like this is a knife that I think Brody, who you guys might see in the video, filleted one of the fish that were brought today. He kind of used this just, on his boat, cutting rope, bait, whatever, nets, kind of an everyday, all-duty, all-purpose knife. The intersect is smaller guy, cut some fishing line or shred up bait, whatever you need. Then we have two folders. So this is the Adira. This is the mini actually. And then we also have a full size. Lastly, we have Steep Country. We did a little updates to the grip here. So all of these are Santoprene handles again. They're really grippy. If you get sweat, blood, guts, all kinds of stuff, that's not going anywhere. We came out with this new mini meat crafter, which is pretty rad. So this will be in CPM 154. Same for the new revised meat crafter we did as well.
And is this guy in 154 as well?
I do believe, I'm sorry, it's S30V.
Okay. I want to give a big shout out to Through Night who made this trip possible. So I've been carrying only Through Night flashlights for SHOT Show 2024. If you know Through Night, they've got budget-friendly lights. They've got lights from the most compact to full-size throwers. A wide variety of options available. Check out the links down in the description below for more from Through Night and make a solid light.